Coming at you from Yokohama, Japan, my name is Dave, and this is an event called Nostalgic 2 Days.
A probed Jag.
Yep.
Yes, a Z. And a Hakosuka. Another one. And another one. And another one. The joke is you buy one of these thinking you're a baller, you're a limousine driver.
I mean, you don't drive one of these, you sit in the back.
So you don't buy it to drive it, you buy it to be driven around in it.
Yeah, you buy it to make your manservant happy.
I'm losing interest in all the Nissans. What's nostalgic about that? Why is the steering wheel on the wrong side? Hey, what's this thing?
That's another Aston Healy, isn't it?
I don't know, but it's cool. And is that an actual...
Oh, no, it wouldn't be. It's too...
Yeah, no, I'm going. That's amazing. Some people have no respect at all.
Okay, I found the best paint job by far.
Wait, the most original paint job? Oh wow, it's rooted. They could rename this Nissan Fest. As I'm filming a Toyota. We're doing dent removal.
20秒です。
Mini. It's got a big turbo on the front of it.
It's an impressive turbo. You've got the intercooler on the other side, see?
It will suck if someone says, no, that's an alternator. Hitler's Benz. Actually, he'd probably prefer black, don't you think?
Do you honestly think Hitler prefers black?
Good point. He would definitely prefer the white one.
I'd definitely go the white one, yeah.
This thing is actually an S15, believe it or not. It's got the engine in it, got some funky shit here with the suspension hiding underneath, not sure. But this is an S15. I was just filming this, spun around and saw this again, and it clicked. It's a cappuccino. Look! It's a cappuccino. And then I saw this, and that confirmed it. Incredible. That's incredible. What have they done in here? So that's all, that's still normal. They got the cappuccino indicator switch and stuff there. So that'll still work. On a shitty burger mission for the YOU. If you don't get a chili one to ruin your then
I'm gonna get the cheeseburger. It's got all the top row. It's got to be the most popular, the best.
there are plenty of people with bad taste. All right.
Much more crowded now.
He's like, if you want to heat it up, go around to the microwave around the corner.
Oh, really? They're not...
No, they're microwave. They come out cold. The salsa bacon. It's a burger in a box.
I think I opened the wrong side.
There it is.
Now what do I do with this
Just
shit?
drop it for the minute. We can pick it up later.
Yeah, that's what I expected.
Burger from a vending machine. What do you want? And the taste? As expected.
Like a burger from a vending machine, you know.
Excellent.